Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of January, 2023. We're going to talk about Meta. Man, the price target finally was hit. Look at this. I've had this price prediction on the chart in Meta since mid-December. I did an update video on the 1st of January, still telling you all that my idea has not changed. I'm still looking for the price to go up, and that is exactly what occurred. Take a look. Proof for yourself. Fully transparent, telling you all that you can do this on your own. So congratulations to those who also predicted that price in Meta was going to go up, because you won 15% right there. Now we're going to talk about what's next. Okay, we're simply going to talk about what's next, and now we're going to revamp and revise the chart. We all can now tell that Meta is on a trend. Price is on a trend. What does it mean? It simply means that buyers are currently moving the price. That's the first thing we're going to identify. Meaning, as long as price in Meta continues to hold that trend line, guess what? Price will forever go up. So that's the first thing we're going to do. The next thing is us noticing that price actually came through and broke this area of support, or it was once acting as support and then it was acting as resistance of $123. That's also good. Now, are we still bullish? Are we still looking for the price to go up in Meta or Facebook? What do you think? Because the chart always gives us answers. I want you all to notice something though. See that? March 2020. That area bounced. This is where buyers were back at that time. Do you think that they're there now, or do you think those buyers who didn't have opportunity to sell when price ran up to 380, do you think that they're going to sell here? Because that could be the next point that price in Meta is going to get rejected right now. So be prepared for that, because we've already seen the market in Meta run up since the low of November 2022. It already has increased 60%. So there will be times to where price is going to come down. Like at some point, the climax is going to be reached and people are going to start selling, because the 60% in a couple of months, this didn't take decades to get 60%. So yeah, be prepared for price to go down in Meta. But next, outside of that area, which is right here around $145, the next target for Meta that we could possibly see price run is going to be here, okay, which is around 150. So that's going to be my next target if I'm seeing strength on the chart in Meta. It's going to be around 150, and then my second one is going to be here. So I'm just drawing the lines right now to show you where the market may be headed. Okay. So now let's get back to Earth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out the way, and I'm going to look at some different time frames. So right here on this 2-day price bar, the last completed one, to tell them that the market still wants to go up. Looking at this on the 3-day, you guys can see even there, price still wants to go up. The 5-day chart, again, you guys can see price still wants to go up. This is a very strong market in Meta right now. And any premise that we see market go down, just be prepared for it. That's all I have to say, is because the emotion is going to kick in when you see Meta down one day 4%, 5%. Weekly chart, market in Meta has just been going higher. Now we got earnings coming up. Okay, this is where volatility is going to occur on what, February the 1st. Be prepared for that. Now, like I told you, as long as price holds trend line, I would even say as long as price does not fall below $129, $130, the idea is that buyers are still going to move the market up. I'm just saying. So what I'm going to do, okay, you guys can already tell that pre-market, the market's around $141. But since we closed there, I will put my price target starting there, my prediction. And I said 130. We'll bring it down a little bit lower. I like 125 too, so we'll do 125. Now, first price target is already there, 150. You guys can see that's 5% profit right there. Second one, it's going to be around 155, which is around 8 3/4. So we got 150 and 155 as the price targets. Okay. And that is it. This is what I'm looking at. Now, I'm not really expecting price in Meta to fall down to 125, but just in case. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts, though, as to what you think the market in Meta is up to. Do you think we're going to continue to trend higher, or you think we're going to go down before earnings, after earnings? Like, what are you looking at? I've shown you, I've even explained to you what I think price is going to do now, and I'm still looking for price to go up. I want to know what you guys think. Hit me up and tell me. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.